Hey, how's it going? Yes, so this first week of January was a bit slow in terms of sales. I only got one new subscriber on companies, nothing on the other apps. And yeah, in terms of building for companies, I made a couple of improvements. I adjusted the stuff in the back that I'm doing in order to generate those new weekly newsletters. So I did like a job openings management dashboard where I can adjust certain details that appear in the newsletter. This mainly opens up a couple of things that I want to do with the newsletter in the upcoming weeks. So for instance, if you're subscribed to companies and you get a newsletter with job openings next week, if there are like new job openings, I wanna bubble those up and be able to show them that, hey, these job openings are new ones versus the ones that are still open, or some of them that are about to close soon. So you have like, I don't know, 5 days until the job opening is closing and you have to submit your application. So this feature that I built in my back for myself kind of unlocks this stuff. And besides this, I also shipped segmentations. So now if you're only interested in engineering job openings, let's say you're an engineer and you don't want to get like sales or marketing job openings, you can just select that department and subscribe to companies. I feel like this is a pretty straightforward thing to have for a newsletter, especially for people looking for jobs, because they don't want to like get everything, and they, instead of having them filter out through that newsletter through all the job openings, better to offer them a more tailored newsletter for this. And yeah, this is pretty much it on the update for companies. Other than this, I started vibe opsing with Codex on my web server, on my VPS, Hetzner VPS that I have, where I'm hosting my OG Pilot and companies. And good thing I did it, because yesterday I found out that the storage on my server was 92% full. And after doing a bit of debugging with Codex and all that, I figured it out and turned it down to like 10%, which was pretty good. It's pretty wild to be able to do DevOps with Codex or Cloud Code or whatever you're using. I feel like it's a pretty useful thing to have, especially as an indie hacker, where you do all the things, you manage your servers, you have to do marketing, programming, and all this. And yeah, this was a pretty neat thing to do. And last update, I'm organizing the first indie hacker meetup in my hometown, which is pretty exciting. Not a lot of people will come. I think there will be like 5 or 6 people now. And I feel like this is a really good way to have a group of accountability. Like, try to meet every other week or so, every month even, and have people present their apps, what they're doing, what they're trying to do, and just provide feedback, go around the table and see how we can all make our apps grow and become more successful and all this. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But this is pretty much it for the weekly update on me. Talk to you guys next week. See ya. Bye.